You probably have a box of baking soda in your kitchen right now, but this inexpensive, safe powder is far more than a cooking or cleaning staple. Emerging research reveals it can address 13 health challenges that often affect seniors, from acid reflux to chronic inflammation and even life-threatening conditions. Most seniors are unaware of these benefits, as they're rarely mentioned by doctors. Let's dive into how this simple ingredient can transform health for older adults. Many seniors experience acid reflux and heartburn, that uncomfortable burning in the chest after meals. Beyond discomfort, chronic reflux can erode the esophagus, damage vocal cords, and raise the risk of esophageal cancer. As we age, the valve at the stomach's top weakens, allowing acid and food to leak upward. Baking soda, a natural antacid, neutralizes stomach acid on contact, turning hydrochloric acid into salt, water, and carbon dioxide. This reduces burning and pressure quickly. A 2018 study in Digestive Diseases and Sciences found low-dose baking soda offered fast relief for chronic reflux, safer than proton pump inhibitors, which can deplete calcium and weaken bones. Mix a quarter teaspoon in half a glass of water and sip slowly, waiting an hour after eating to avoid disrupting digestion. Use it 2 or 3 times a week to prevent stomach pH imbalances, which could cause nausea or alkalosis if overdone. For seniors waking with a sour taste or struggling post-meal, this remedy is a cheap, chemical-free way to restore comfort and enjoy food without pain. Aging skin becomes thinner and drier, making seniors prone to itching, redness, and rashes from irritants like detergents or dry air. Baking soda soothes by alkalizing the skin's surface, calming nerve endings that trigger itching, and neutralizing acids and bacteria that worsen inflammation. A 2016 study in dermatology therapy showed baking soda baths reduced itching by 40% in eczema patients within a week. This works for bug bites, sunburn, or mild hives due to its anti-inflammatory properties and soothing coating. Add half a cup to a warm bath, soak for 15 to 20 minutes, and pat dry gently. For small areas, make a paste with baking soda and water, apply for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. Use once or twice weekly to avoid overdrying. Seniors with flaky patches or relentless itching can reduce reliance on steroid creams, finding relief with this gentle, affordable solution. Oral health becomes critical after 60, as gum recession, enamel thinning, and dry mouth increase risks of decay and gum disease. Medications reducing saliva flow worsen this, letting bacteria thrive, causing cavities, gum inflammation, and bad breath. Baking soda's alkaline nature neutralizes bacterial acids, the main cause of decay and gum issues, while its mild abrasiveness lifts stains without harming enamel. A 2020 review in the Journal of the American Dental Association found baking soda toothpastes outperformed others in plaque removal and whitening, also reducing bacteria and improving gum health. This matters, as gum disease is linked to heart disease and stroke. Wet a toothbrush, dip in baking soda, brush gently for 2 minutes, and rinse. Follow with Fluoride toothpaste if desired, or mix with peppermint oil for freshness and antibacterial effects. For gums, dissolve half a teaspoon in warm water for a daily rinse. This simple habit supports oral health, reducing risks tied to systemic diseases without aggressive treatments. Muscle fatigue makes daily tasks, like walking or climbing stairs, tiring for seniors, partly due to lactic acid buildup, causing a burning sensation. Baking soda buffers this acid in the bloodstream, letting muscles work longer. A 2019 study in the Journal of Applied Physiology showed seniors taking baking soda before exercise had 19% less fatigue and faster recovery. Mix a quarter to half a teaspoon in water, drink slowly 60 to 90 minutes before activity, avoiding a full stomach to prevent bloating. Limit to 1 teaspoon daily without medical advice to avoid nausea. This helps seniors stay active, whether gardening or exercising, reducing fatigue that limits mobility and independence. Urinary tract discomfort, like burning or urgency, is common, especially in women, as bladder function weakens with age. Acidic urine irritates the bladder and urethra, worsening symptoms. Baking soda alkalizes urine, easing irritation. Dissolve a 1/4 teaspoon in cool water, drink once daily on an empty stomach for up to 3 days, and consult a doctor, especially with kidney issues or blood pressure medications. Due to sodium content, this remedy reduces bathroom trip discomfort, improving sleep and daily comfort for seniors with bladder irritation, offering a drug-free solution. Kidney function declines with age, causing waste buildup, fatigue, and fluid retention. Excess blood acidity strains kidneys, speeding decline. Baking soda neutralizes this acid, easing kidney stress. A 2019 study in Kidney International found low-dose baking soda slowed kidney decline by 36% over 2 years in early-stage chronic kidney disease. Mix a 1/4 teaspoon in water, drink daily on an empty stomach, but consult a doctor, especially with high blood pressure or kidney issues. This supports kidney health, preventing complications and maintaining vitality for seniors with early decline, delaying invasive treatments. Joint pain from arthritis or wear and tear troubles many seniors, driven by chronic inflammation. Baking soda shifts the body's pH to a more alkaline state, calming immune cells. A 2018 study in the Journal of Immunology found daily baking soda reduced inflammatory markers by 20% in 2 weeks. Dissolve a 1/4 teaspoon in water, drink daily on an empty stomach for 2 weeks, then pause to avoid sodium buildup. Pair with Epsom salt baths for added relief. For seniors with stiff joints, this drug-free remedy improves mobility, reducing reliance on invasive treatments and easing daily pain. Gout, caused by uric acid crystals in joints, is painful and common in seniors due to declining kidney function. Baking soda raises blood and urine pH, dissolving uric acid to prevent crystals. A 2010 study in arthritis and rheumatology found daily baking soda reduced gout flare-ups by 30% over 6 months. Mix a 1/4 teaspoon in water, drink between meals daily, limiting to 1/2 teaspoon without medical approval. This reduces gout attack frequency and severity, helping seniors avoid debilitating pain and maintain mobility without heavy medication use. High blood pressure worsens with age, and acidic body chemistry constricts blood vessels, increasing heart strain. Baking soda's alkalizing effect relaxes vessels, improving flow. A 2020 study in cardiovascular therapeutics found seniors with high acidity had a 38% higher risk of elevated pressure, but baking soda normalized readings into weeks. Mix a 1/4 teaspoon in water, drink daily on an empty stomach, and stay hydrated. This stabilizes blood pressure for seniors, reducing cardiovascular strain without additional medications, supporting heart health simply. Chronic fatigue plagues seniors, often from metabolic acidosis, an acidic imbalance impairing cellular energy. Baking soda alkalizes the body, boosting energy efficiency. A 2017 study in Frontiers in Physiology showed 22% less fatigue in seniors after 3 weeks. Dissolve a 1/4 teaspoon in water, drink on an empty stomach in the morning or afternoon, avoiding food or caffeine. Hydration is key as cellular activity increases waste elimination. This addresses fatigue's chemical roots, helping seniors regain vitality without stimulants, making daily tasks less draining. Hemorrhoids cause pain, swelling, and itching, worsened by aging veins and slow blood flow. Baking soda neutralizes acids, reduces swelling, and soothes skin. A 2020 review in Skin Pharmacology and Physiology found baking soda baths reduced hemorrhoid discomfort by 47% in 10 days. Add half a cup to a warm sitz bath, soak for 15 to 20 minutes, and pat dry. Repeat 3 times weekly. This chemical-free remedy eases discomfort for seniors with constipation or prolonged sitting, improving daily comfort without harsh ointments. Chronic inflammation silently damages joints, arteries, and organs, fueling diseases like arthritis and Alzheimer's. Baking soda calms the immune system, reducing inflammatory chemicals. A study in the Journal of Immunology found daily baking soda increased anti-inflammatory cells, lowering markers significantly into weeks. Dissolve a quarter teaspoon in water, drink daily on an empty stomach, cycling 2 weeks on, 1 off, to avoid sodium buildup. Hydration aids toxin flushing. For seniors with joint pain or fatigue, this reduces inflammation's root, supporting long-term health and independence.